Good morning! Today is our last day in St. Barths. Tonight, well, I guess like 4 a.m. tomorrow morning, I'm planning on picking up the anchor and sailing offshore to Antigua, which will start a week or 2 or 3 of very quick island hopping, adventure, moving south towards Grenada. So life is good. We just have a few more things that we got to do. We never got diesel, so I'm gonna go ashore, get some provisions, because the provisions I bought for the passage when I thought I was gonna leave earlier, yeah, they're gone. And anyways, weather clears up tonight, early tomorrow morning. So we're getting provisions, we're getting diesel, raising the tender, getting all the navigation, electronics ready, stowing, having a nice chill night, getting some rest. And tomorrow starts the go, 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 go. Let's get it. Ow. So I brought you by American Gourmet, the grocery store that's open close to the dinghy dock, just to show you why I'm about to walk over a mountain. This soy sauce, tiny bottle of soy sauce, is 30 euros. I'm not walking, I'm running. Food acquired. I got it in the backpack and the box. Camera's dying. We're headed back to the boat. We love each other. Oh, I know. I know. It's so hot, Charlie. I know. Oh my goodness, she's so excited. Alright, so as you can see, I'm back at the boat. I acquired groceries. I just bought like microwavable dinners mostly, and energy drinks and snacks. I was gonna get some like beef burger patties to try to be healthy and, you know, get gains, but it was like 20 euros for 4 patties. So I ended up getting microwave dinners because they're just cheap. And they're really easy to take care of on passage. You just pop in while I'm underway, and so I can spend more time at the helm. So that's what we're doing. I forgot to take the trash ashore and get cash. So I gotta take out the trash, get some cash, and buy some gas. And we'll try to do it fast. And there's a lot of big fish going by. I should have done more fishing while I was here. I really want to get into more like bottom fishing while I'm at anchor, like putting a weight down and just letting it sit with some live bait or some meat or something like that. Because right now I'm only trawling. I'm only fishing like underway behind the boat. But look at that fish right there. Come over to say hi. Did you see him? Where'd he go? Oh wait, actually I don't think I can fish here. Yeah, it's like a wildlife preserve, which is making sense. You can't fish here, and that's why there are so many fish. Bye Grace, bye Charlie. I'll be back. All right, pulled out some more cash, get a little extra diesel, and we are officially checked out of the island. This time, hopefully for real. I hope I don't have to turn around for anything. Touch wood. By the way, I'm so superstitious lately. I think all sailors are superstitious because once you're out in the middle of the water and things start going wrong, you start believing in everything. Whatever can make it go away. All right, diesel, then back to the boat for good, baby. Like, man, I'm getting excited. I'm getting excited, guys. Lord of mercy. It's funny how it works. I was so excited to get to St. Barths, and now here we are. Been here about a week, and I am so excited to leave. I'm so excited. Well, I'm not excited to leave. I'm just excited to go to the next place. You know? That's healthy. Whee! Also, like, walking around the island does make me miss having a car a little bit, but only a little bit. I used to have this white F-150. I did construction work with it, delivered beer with it, drove Uber with it, and I spent so much time in that truck, and I loved it. It was a dream truck for me. But I don't miss it, and it has been replaced with this tender, this dinghy. And I gotta tell you that, like, the little rides that I have on this boat to and from the island, through the anchorage, looking at all the boats, and they're just amazing. You know, there's no traffic out here. There's no road rage. I'm never really in too much of a hurry. It's very rare that I'm in a hurry. Like, I miss my truck sometimes because I loved the truck, but I don't miss traffic. I don't miss road rage. And, you know, my commutes are just great. I love this thing. Yeah. Take this over a car any day. Honestly, not bad. So 139 euros actually is pretty bad because it's 20 gallons of diesel, roughly. But 139 euros, what is that, like 140, 150 bucks? 160 bucks? So that's like over $7 a gallon for my quick maths. I'm sure I'll put on the screen what it actually is, but that's expensive as hell. But it'll get us to the next couple places, and hopefully fuel will be cheaper down south. Man, I'm excited. We're ready to go. We are ready to go. We got the weather, we got the boat, we got the diesel, we got the gas. We got the food, we got the wiener dog, we're ready. Hi. I know you hate being left home alone. You have separation anxiety. Hi. 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 It's okay. I'm home for good now. I'm home for good. And we got a full day of sailing together tomorrow. This dog, man. I know, I love you too. You wanna go outside? Yeah, it's hot in here, huh? I left the fan on for you. Did you lay underneath it? I freaking love this dog, man. Hey, you're such a good boy. God. If you go sailing around the world, bring a wiener dog with you. He agrees. Look at him. They're everywhere. Big fish. Big fish, big fish. Look at that big fish. It may look like I can get to that tank, but because of the netting and the push pit, which is this stainless railing here, I can't really get to it super easy, especially with the boat rocking. So I use this siphon tube. Just kind of click it in, and boom, she's running. And it means that I can get every last drop out of the jerry can and spill zero. Takes a little bit longer, but 10-15 minutes we'll be out here and they'll be done. Alrighty, so that's that. We are all ready for departure. I think I'm going to leave here around 4 a.m. tonight and head to Jolly Harbor, Antigua. Like I mentioned in the last video, there should be a link up on Patreon if anyone wants to follow along with the journey and track me as I go. When I'm planning for a passage, as far as speed goes, so it's 75 miles. I usually hope for 6 knots average speed, but 5 I'm happy with, and 4 is usually like my worst case that I plan for. So if I'm assuming that it's going to be like 5, then I really need 15 hours to get there comfortably. I would really like to arrive in Jolly Harbor before I lose daylight, just because it's a new place, and the last time I anchored here when it was dark wasn't super fun. So I'm going to leave before sun's up, and if you're watching this video as it just came out, that means I'm currently offshore. So wish me luck, and I will see you guys tomorrow for some sailing. I know it's because you're hot, but you look so happy. You look so happy. Oh my goodness. I love this dog so much, it's ridiculous.